The universe emits a variety of mysterious sounds, often beyond human perception. Scientists utilize advanced technology to capture these cosmic noises. For instance, the whistling of solar winds and the pulsating signals from pulsars provide valuable insights into cosmic phenomena. NASA's Voyager spacecraft has recorded sounds from interstellar space, transforming electromagnetic waves into audible sound waves. This allows researchers to analyze the vibrations from distant planets and stars. Additionally, the singing of black holes, detected through gravitational waves, enhances understanding of their formation and dynamics. The sounds generated by Earth's magnetosphere, influenced by solar activity, create a distinct audio environment. These intriguing sounds deepen knowledge of space phenomena and stimulate interest in the universe. As technology progresses, the exploration of cosmic sounds will continue to reveal the mysteries of the cosmos, encouraging humanity to engage with the universe's hidden audio landscape.